Hello friends, you are watching Nutri Talk with Sonali and this is Dietitian Sonali. Let's see how to make raw mango drink, or in Hindi it is called Aam Panna or Kairi Panna. Aam Panna is khatta mitha healthy summer drink made from green mangoes or raw mangoes. In Konkani they are called tora and they are loaded with nutrients and many health benefits. In winters, amla or oranges are eaten for vitamin C to boost immunity. Likewise, in summers, to boost immunity and for vitamin C, eat raw mango panna or kairi panna. In fact, as per recent research, raw mangoes or kairi or tora, they have more vitamin C than amla and oranges. Apart from being rich in vitamin C, raw mangoes are also rich in other antioxidants. Raw mangoes are high in essential vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B6, vitamin B3 and folate, which provides a host of healing benefits. And in minerals, raw mangoes are rich in potassium, sodium, iron, calcium and magnesium. They are also rich in soluble fiber called pectin. Aam Panna is very hydrating drink during summers and it maintains electrolyte balance of the body. And since it is rich in vitamin C and iron, it is an excellent drink to boost immunity in summers. Aam Panna is mostly made using sugar, but in this video I have given a healthy touch to this drink. So let's see how to make healthy Aam Panna without using sugar, and you can enjoy this tangy, flavorful summer drink not just in summers but also for next 5 to 6 months. To make Aam Panna, I have taken 3 raw mangoes. Use fully green and hard raw mangoes. म्हणजे hard tora असता पळय ती मातशी घट tora असता पळय ती घेयात. Other ingredients are jeera or cumin seeds, fennel seeds, body-shape, jaggery powder, and a small piece of fresh haldi and black peppercorns. Wash the raw mangoes thoroughly. Place them in pressure cooker and add required quantity water. Close the lid and cook it on medium heat for 4 whistles. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. Open the lid, take out the cooked raw mangoes and peel them off for their pulp. You will get approximately 1 katori pulp of 3 medium-sized raw mangoes, to which use approximately 1 katori organic jaggery powder to taste. Take a blending jar and add into it raw mango pulp and jaggery powder to taste. This is leftover jaggery. I haven't used the entire jaggery powder. Add a small piece of fresh haldi and half a teaspoon of black peppercorns. Turmeric or haldi goes best with black pepper, since the antioxidant curcumin in haldi is best absorbed by the body when it is combined with piperine in black pepper. Add teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, prevents constipation, great for digestive health and in low hemoglobin anemia. Add teaspoon of fennel seeds, body-shape, has cooling properties. Add half teaspoon freshly ground cardamom powder. Close the lid and blend it just for few seconds till all the ingredients mix well. Raw mango pulp is ready. Strain it to obtain a smooth creamy mango pulp and to separate the residue. Smooth creamy healthy mango pulp is ready. Take a clean glass jar and store this pulp in it in the refrigerator, and it will last for about 5 to 6 months. Now let's see how to make Aam Panna using this pulp. Take a glass, add into it 2 tablespoons of this raw mango pulp. Add water stored in clay pot, or you can also use refrigerated water. Add some pink Himalayan salt to taste to balance out the flavors. Give it a nice stir. Garnish with peppermint spray. Super healthy raw mango Aam Panna drink is ready. To make Aam Panna as per your liking or taste buds, you can increase or decrease the raw mango pulp for desirable consistency. So this is how you can make sugar-free raw mango pulp to make healthy raw mango or Aam Panna drink. You can store this pulp in airtight container in refrigerator and it will last for up to 5 to 6 months. And whenever you feel like having Aam Panna, not just in summers but also in monsoon, just mix some pulp in water, add some salt if needed and enjoy. Now coming to the health benefits of Aam Panna. As I earlier said, it is an excellent hydrating drink which also maintains the electrolyte balance of the body. Great for people with low hemoglobin as it is rich in both vitamin C and iron. Aam Panna is good source of micronutrients like essential vitamins and minerals. Aam Panna boosts immunity in summers. It also boosts metabolism. So it is a great healthy alternative as a weight loss drink. Aam Panna improves digestive health. Great for heart, liver, skin and hair health. And the taste is delicious. So do include raw or green mangoes as replacement for Amla in summers. And I would say the best way to include raw mangoes or tora as a part of your diet is as Aam Panna drink. You can have Aam Panna as a mid-morning drink or any time during the day as summer drink. It is best healthy alternative to any kind of aerated beverages which people mostly go to drink in summers. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your family and friends. And until next time, bye-bye.